Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Topstep to TradingView. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into this video. Okay, so this is honestly really quick and simple process. So the first thing what we need to do is a Topstep account through TradingView. So that can either be your trading combined or a funded account. Now, once you've got that, go ahead and log into TradingView with the login details that Topstep emailed you. Inside of TradingView, you want to go up to the top right hand corner, click on application settings, and then find add-on tools. Here you will see the option to activate TradingView add-on. Make sure that is switched on. If it isn't enabled, the connection to TradingView will fail. Now from here, we need to head on over to tradingview.com. Now once you're here, if you don't have an account, go ahead and create an account or log in, and then from here, hover over products and get into super charts. Now once we're inside super charts, we need to go ahead and scroll near the bottom of the page and click on trading panel. So click onto that and then find TradingView. If you don't find it, go ahead and click on all brokers, and you can make this a bit larger too. Makes it a bit easier to see. Now if you can't find TradingView, go ahead and click on Control F and then type in TradingView and hit the down or up arrow, and it's going to highlight it for you inside of here. So go ahead and click on TradingView. Now we can log into TradingView. So you put in username, password, and click connect. Now if everything is correct, you'll see an account pop up and you're ready to take plays or place trades directly from TradingView using your Topstep account. Now it's really important to keep your TradingView tab open in the background when you're trading through TradingView. Just make sure you can step in quickly if there's ever a delay or issue.